Is your outside wall bulging? One possible cause is wall tie failure. In cavity walls, the ties connecting the outer brickwork to the inner wall can corrode, loosen or fail, allowing the outer leaf to bow outwards. Another cause is poor lateral restraint. If the wall is not adequately tied back to the floors or roof structure, it can gradually move away from the building. Roof spread can also push walls outwards. If rafters or roof timbers move and exert sideways pressure, the upper part of the wall can begin to bulge. Foundation movement can distort a wall from below. If one part of the building settles or moves differently from another, the wall above may lean, bow or bulge. Bulging can also develop where a wall has been altered in the past, particularly around enlarged openings, removed internal walls or areas where the original support has been changed. So if you're worried about a bulging wall, contact us via problemhomes.co.uk and we'll help you pinpoint the cause and, more importantly, what you need to do about it. Thanks for watching.